Efren Bata Reyes, born in Pampanga in August 1954, is celebrated today as one of the greatest billiards players in history. But his rise to international fame had an unusual beginning. When he first competed in the United States in the mid-1980s, he did not use his real name. Instead, he entered tournaments under the alias Cesar Morales. By that time, Reyes was already a legend in the Philippines and across Asia. He had built a formidable reputation in Manila's pool halls, as well as in Hong Kong and Japan, where his uncanny shot-making and creative strategies earned him respect and fear in equal measure. Word of his talent began to spread overseas, carried by whispers among traveling players and fans. In American and European billiard circles, rumors circulated about a mysterious Filipino who could dismantle even the toughest opponents. Reyes knew that such a reputation could work against him. In the fiercely competitive American pool scene, some players might have refused to face him if they knew who he was. To avoid this, he chose to compete under a different name. Cesar Morales became his mask, allowing him to enter tournaments without the weight of his growing legend. His first major appearance in the United States came in 1985 at the Reds Billiards 9-Ball Open in Houston, Texas. The event drew some of the best American professionals of the era, including Buddy Hall, David Matlock, and Wade Crane. To them, Cesar Morales was just another foreign challenger, not yet the giant he would soon be revealed to be. What followed has since become part of billiards folklore. Reyes, playing under his alias, dominated the field. He defeated top American players with a style that seemed almost magical. Bank shots that defied geometry, safeties that left opponents helpless, and a calmness under pressure that unnerved even seasoned veterans. By the end of the tournament, he emerged undefeated, pocketing $2,500 in prize money and leaving the American pool world stunned. The legend goes that as he was leaving the venue, Reyes accidentally signed a few autographs with his real name, Efren Reyes, revealing his true identity. The crowd, still reeling from the brilliance of Cesar Morales, suddenly realized they had just witnessed the arrival of a new force in the sport. From that moment on, Reyes was no longer a rumor. He was a global name. Over the following decades, he would go on to win more than 100 international titles, including the WPA World 9-Ball and 8-Ball Championships, and become the first non-American to win the prestigious U.S. Open 9-Ball Championship. His creativity at the table earned him the nickname The Magician, a title that has followed him ever since. The story of Cesar Morales is more than a clever alias. It marks the turning point when a Filipino pool hall prodigy stepped onto the world stage and changed the game forever. What began as a disguise became the opening chapter of a career that would inspire generations of players and cement Efren Bata Reyes as the greatest to ever hold a cue. Just a note to all viewers. All the earlier images of Efren Reyes were AI-generated and do not accurately depict him. This is how he really looked like in his youth. What an incredible piece of sports history. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the lives of legendary athletes. Thanks for watching.